Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw Honda Civic full guide. Begin by sketching simple boxes and ovals to map the car proportions. Focus on wheelbase and roofline placement. Use light lines to adjust angles and balance before adding details. Keep the reference close and check symmetry often. This foundational step makes subsequent detailing faster and keeps the final drawing cohesive and accurate for any viewer practicing. Now refine the primary forms by softening construction lines and defining panel edges with firmer strokes, focusing on the hood, windshield, and wheel arches. Keep perspective consistent and check that the wheels sit on the same plane. Simplify complex curves into smooth arcs before committing to final outlines. Regularly step back to view the whole car and correct proportions to ensure the Civic silhouette reads clearly from a distance. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tutorials, and thanks for the support. Quick recommendation. I use these leak-proof containers as a neat way to bring snacks or tools to my drawing sessions, which keeps breaks tidy and focused. You can find the link and other deals in the description, and if you enjoyed that tip now, let's get back to the video. Add details like headlights, grille, mirrors, and badges while preserving earlier structure, working from larger features to smaller accents so nothing gets lost. Use controlled line weight to suggest depth and chrome surfaces, and hatch with consistent direction to model curvature. Keep highlights by erasing small areas rather than overriding them. Finish by cleaning stray marks and reinforcing key edges so the drawing reads crisp and polished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.